In previous class, I given homework exercise 1.2 related 6th class related work I given to you. Okay, somebody only completed that work. Okay, somebody not completed. We will complete that exercise 1 point. According to Indian system, we have to complete that work. Okay, exercise 1.2. We will discuss here. Exercise 1.2, class 6. Exercise 1.2 we will complete here. See here, what is the question we are given? Just given by words. Okay, then first question. In page number 14. Page number 14 it is. What is the first question? Write each in numerical form. Numerical form. Write each in numerical form. Already I completed, but again I will repeat. 60 crores, 5 lakhs, 90,000, 92,000, 500, 502. Here, when words are given to you, what form is given to you, we have to write a numerical form. One thing you have to remember, while writing a numerical form, we have to remember. What that remember? We have to write. Always we have to remember. What is the remember? We have to remember whenever your words are given to you. What is the highest place according to Indian system? If you see here, starting only they will give you highest place. Okay, see here 60 crores. 60 crores. What is the highest place here? Crores. We have to write groups up to crores. Okay, groups we have to write groups. Without using groups also we can write. No problem. Directly we can follow the base values of Indian system. We can write the number in numerical form. But we have to write it. I want to write it groups. What are the groups are available in Indian system? Unit group, thousand group, lakh group, crore group. Unit group. What are the groups are available in Indian system? In Indian system, which groups are available there? Which groups? Unit group, thousand group, lakh group, crore group. Unit group, thousand group, lakh group, crore group. In crore group we have 2 digits. Lakh group is also 2 places. In thousand group also 2 places. These are the places. Unit group having 3 places. Unit group having how many places? 3 places. Unit group having 3 places. If you remember, either groups are places. They are always not one, but conveniently how to write it. Okay, I want to follow the groups. What are the groups? We have to say crore group, unit group, next thousand group, next lakh group, next crore group. Okay, crore group should have 2 digits. Crore group have 2 digits. Lakh group have 2 digits. Thousand group have 2 digits. Next unit group also having 3 digits. See here, what is the question here? 60 crores. 60 means 1 digit number, 2 digit number, that is 60 crores. 60 crores means 60. 60 crores. 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs means 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. 5 is a single digit number. Okay, so single digit number I want to write as a 2-digit number. To appear, now that is not a 2-digit number. By seeing that, we will feel the 2 digits are there. Like that I want to write. That means 5 lines in 5 on one space. Okay, 0 5. 5 lines. 5 we can write 0 5. 5 lines. Next 92,000. 92 is double digit number. 92,000. 500 and 2. Unit digit 2. Unit digit is 2. Okay, which digit is left? That is taken as 0. Which digit is left? That is taken as 0. And next second question in the manner on the same question. 900 944 crores 6 ranks 55,000 400 80 and 86 486. Now what is the highest place value here? 944 crores. What is the highest place value here? Crores. Okay, which is the starting order? If you read question, all the question, here crores, here thousands, okay, here lakhs, here no need to the. Okay, so first starting only we can identify which is the greatest. Crores is greatest. Now we can write groups. What are the groups? Up to which group you have written? Up to crores. Unit group, thousand group, lakh group, crore group. Without using groups also we can follow the place values. That one also we can write. Okay, this is taken 2 places are there. Here also 2 places. Here also 2 places. Unit digit having 3 places. Unit digit having 3 places. Now 940, but here 3-digit number is given. Whenever 3-digit numbers are given to you, for which place it is related in? Crores place. Which place it is related to? Crore place. 944. Here we can write 944. Already I told you, in crore place we have 2 digits only. They will give maximum by separating crores we have 2 places only. But sometimes they will give to you. Sometimes rarely they will give to you. Like 3-digit number in crores place. But whenever crores is 2 digits, when you after that will not do 3 digits. At the starting only they will give to you 3 digits. Now lakhs. What is the lakhs here? 6 lakhs. 6 is a single digit number. That one you can write 06. 6 lakhs. That one I written here 06. 45,000. 45. Double digit number. 45. 45. What is the last one? 486. 486. That number will write. This is the question. Now we have to complete this one. One more sum is given there. 10 crores 10,000 and 10. This is the given. 10 crores, 10,000 and 10. Okay, we have to write groups. What is the highest group there? What is the highest group? Highest group is crores. Okay, up to that one. Crores after we can lakh, thousand, unit group. Unit group we having 3 digits. Thousand group we having 2 digits. Lakh group we having 4 digits. Crore group we having 2 digits. If you are able to write directly, you can write directly. If you are able to write directly, you can write the directly also. Okay, what is the 10 crores? 10 crores. 10 is double digit number. Okay, 10. 10 crores. 10,000 lakhs not given. Leave that one. 10,000. 1,000 plus 10. 10,000. Next, 110. 110 is given. 100 place is not given. 10. That means second digit are not given. 100 place not given. So that is taken as 0. Lakhs place also not given. So that is taken as 0. 2 digits you have to take. That is the first one. So you go for the second one. If anybody completed those sums, check once. Okay, some members completed. Okay, those are we have to check. We will discuss the second one. What is the second one here? Insert commas. Insert commas and write in words. Write in words. Write in words. Okay, there is a long question is given to you. Insert commas and in the correct position, two separate period, and write the following numbers in words according to Indian system. Already you know Indian system. Indian system is nothing but a Hindu-Arabic system. Hindu-Arabic system, or they will ask the Hindu system also. Hindu-Arabic system, Indian system, Hindu system. Three are same only. Okay, now we can take first question. Here I will discuss one question. Okay, this question is given to you. We have to separate the commas. Insert commas. What is the first one? Insert commas. Insert commas. Okay, 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 5, 6, 0. While inserting in according to Indian system. This system it is the Indian system. Indian system I want to take. This is related to the Indian system. Especially they are asking means we have to follow that one. Otherwise, we have to follow the Indian system. Okay, while we marking comma in Indian system, start from the right side. Take 3 digits first. Count 1, 2, 3. Place comma. That is, in Indian system, first comma we have to place after 3 digits from the right side. After that 3 digits from the right side. Okay, here 1, 2, 3 comma. Later, after the first comma, after every 2 digits after we will get comma. Every 2 digits after we will get comma. First comma located after 3 digits. After every 2 digits we will get comma. 1, 2, 3 comma. 1, 2 comma. 1, 2 comma. This is the placing comma. While marking commas, we have to remember in Indian system, start from the right side. First comma is located after 3 digits. After that one, every 2 digits we will get place comma. After 2 digits we will place comma. That is that. Okay, if you write words. Okay, what is the number here? 5, 7, 6, 5, 7, 5, 6, 0. Okay, where it is comma located like this? Already we located the double. Where you got comma, there we have to draw a line. Where you got comma, there we have to write a line. We have to write groups. Which you have to write? Groups. Groups we have to write. This is a unit group according to this one. Without using unit groups also, we can follow the periods. Already in lower class we done periods. We have to habituate groups. Unit group, 1000 group, TH means 1000. Land group, floor group. Okay, now we can write in words. Now we can write words. Okay, 5. What is the place value? These are the place groups. Which group it is a floor group? 5 rows. 5 rows. So next 76. 76. What is the group that one? Lands. 76 lands. 70. Next 57. 57,000. 57,000. Now last year digit. What is the 100 plus 5? 500. What is the total number? 560. We can read it. 3-digit number. 560. 560. 560. 560. Okay, this is the question. Okay, now we have to take one more question. B. Same only. B Roman I will explain to you. C Roman we have to complete. What is the B Roman here? 70560 762. What is the question here? Insert commas and write in marks. Okay, what is the number given here? 7056072. From right side onwards we have to start. From right side onwards we have to start. Okay, first 3 digits after comma. Place comma. 1, 2, 3. 3 digits after comma. After every 2 digits after. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. 7. Okay, now we have to write in bars. 7, comma 0. What is the number it is? Okay, we have only copying here. Now we can write groups. Where you got comma, where you have to draw line. Okay, which group it is? Unit group. I am writing groups. These are the groups. These are the groups. Unit group, thousand group, land group, crore group. Now we can write the bars. Okay, what is the crore group having 7? 7 crores. 7 crores. 0 5 look 8 lakhs. 0 5 is nothing but 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. 60,000. Just read that number 60. What is the group? 1000. 60,000. 60,000 and 762. 762 and 62. Follow this Roman. We have to complete C Roman. In that Roman, C Roman given. Okay, C has 7 2 5 6 7 7 5 6 1 3. Okay, one thing I will separate with commas. Later you can complete that. Okay, whenever if you want to separate with commas, start from right side onwards. 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma 1 2 comma. Later up to which place we know when up to cursor we know when. Okay, unit place, thousand place, lakh place, lakh group, unit group, thousand group, lakh group, crore group. Later we don't know numbers. Then what happened? What we have? Read this number again. 9,725 crores only. Total this number take as crores. Total this number take as this is crores group. Total number you can read as crores group only. This one is lakhs. This is one at 1000. This is one at unit group. That means 9,725 crores. Write in words. Okay, we are reading crores. Total number read and write crores. 67 lakhs. 75,630. 630. That is the answer. Okay, right. Try yourself. I will. If you are not able, I will check. Okay, by writing crores, total number taken crores only. 97 crores. 99,725. Okay, if you are not able to remember other than crores. Okay. Already expand form already in previous class I told you. I don't want to explain that one. Third one, try yourself. Expand form. I will say one sum. Write expanded form. Write expanded form. What is expanded form? I want to discuss C sum. Remaining, what is A sum again? A sum 7 5 6 7 2 3. B sum. B sum what is there? 6 0 6 5 6 7 2 3 4. These two sums we have to follow the C sum completed. C sum 8 5 0 0 7 5 6 7 6 2. Now I want to write expanded form. What is form? I want to write expanded form. Okay, what is the question here? Write expanded form. How you can do? First, what is the digit here? 8. 8 digit, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. According to place value, multiply that one. But without multiplying that one, short form we can write. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 zeros you have. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. 9 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next 5. What is the next digit? 5. Second digit 5. 5 is how many digits are there? 0 also count by counting the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 zeros I can write. After writing the zeros count 8 digits are got. 4 plus 4 8. Next 0. 0 no need to write. While writing the expanded form 0 no need to write. Okay, 0 for 0 decided how many zeros we can keep. For example 0 I have written. 0 decided 0 I have written. 0 decided how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 zeros I kept here. 7 zeros I kept here. Okay, is there any you can read any word form? No, 0 only here. So we no need to write by writing the expanded form. No need to write that one. Okay. Go for this one also leave. 7. Next digit is 7. Next digit is 7. 7 decided how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 zeros you have written. Next digit is 5. 5 decided how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 digits you have to make 0. Next plus next digit is 6. 6 decided how many digits are there? 1 2 3. Okay, don't count underline number. Underline number count చేయకూడదు. 7. Next digit is 7. How many digits are there? 2 digits. Next digit is 6. 6 beside 1 digit. Next is 2. This is the explanation. Next one is the place value, face value. In this exercise, I am asked one. Determine the difference between place value and face value. Face value of 6 in 8 6 4 5 6 7 9 2. Okay, first we have to know what is the place value, what is the place value, what is the face value. For example, again here 756. One number is here. Okay, what is the I want to know the 5 place value. Place value of 5. Place value of 5. Face value of 5. Okay, that one we have to know. Place value, face value. Okay, 756. 5 is located which unit group? Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. That means what is the place value? Tens. Okay, what is the located is 5. 5 into 10. 50. What is the place value of 5? 50. What is the place value of 5? 50. That means which digit is available? That one multiplied with the place value. That is the place value of that digit. Face value means which digit is located. That only face value. Okay, what is the digit available here? 5. 5 only face value. For example, one more question we have to take. What is the place value of 9? Place value. What is the place value here? Place value of 9. Place value of 9 is ones, tens, 100. We have to count. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1000 means 9000. Okay, face value means 9 only. Which digit we are taking, that is we can face value. Okay, today work is what that for this I underline one digit here. For this we have to write place value and face value. For this also we have to write a place value and face value. Okay, later we can take subtraction. That is our homework.